Hello guys, welcome to day 242 from 400 Days of Learning Programming Challenge. Let's create AI using ChatGPT with MATLAB. So as I already told you, I have zero knowledge of MATLAB language. I know Python, JavaScript, CSS, and HTML, but nothing about MATLAB that I know. So I'm trying to create this AI project with ChatGPT. And also I'm trying to learn MATLAB as well, but this is not my primary task right here. My primary task is to learn web development, but I have right now I have to create this AI, as this is a project for my university. Let's see, what do we have here? This is what I have done yesterday. Where it is? I think this is it. Okay, so the AI that I'm trying to create is with reinforcement learning, and here is a track that we have. It have a starting line, finish line, and we have a car. It have to go and reach the finish line. So if you want to know about this project, check my yesterday video. I explained what is this. So what I have done yesterday is gridding. I tried to grid these to 17 columns and 32 rows. So let's open this. Have I created a folder for this project? Yes, racetrack exercise information. We have it's not necessary, I think. Let me delete this information for now. Racetrack exercise. Let's create a new script. New script should have been saved in racetrack. Let's call it race. Save it. And now we have to use ChatGPT. I really hate this verification process. It just took so long. Okay. What to define? Let's create a document. Explanation. Okay. Now let's describe our AI. I have a 17 and 32. 17 column and 32 rows It's matrix, right? Cells in matrix of MATLAB. I want you to create a game for me. This game should created with Monte Carlo methods. This game should created using Monte Carlo method. In reinforcement learning. The game rules. The game has the following rules. Or maybe I have to say in this game there is a agent trying to reach the finish line. The finish line is in the cells row 1 column 70, right? Row 1 column 70. In the cells 1, 17, 2, 217, 317, 417, 517, 617. So I just need to copy and paste this. Two, three, four, five, six. 2, 3, 4. Oops, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The finish line is in the cells 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. We have a starting line as well, which is in the cells 32 row 32. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm just copy paste this 32 row 32 row 32 and columns 4, 2, 9, 4 to 9. So we have a starting line which is in the cells blah blah. Okay. The finish line is in the cells this. We have a starting line as well, which is in the cells these. So let's save this for now. The game has the following rules. Agent can appear in everywhere of this matrix. Let's create a name for this. I have 17 columns and 32 row cells in a matrix of MATLAB. We can call this, name this matrix race track. Race track. This game should create it. Must create it. Must be create using Monte Carlo method in reinforcement. In this game there is an agent. There is agent trying to reach the finish line. The finish line is in the cells. We have a starting line. The game has the following rules. Agent can appear can appear randomly of the race track matrix. Okay. Racetrack. Agent must learn how to reach the finish line in the fastest way as it can. Agent can move in order to reach finish line in the fast agent can move with a velocity of 0 to 5. By velocity, I mean the agent can move to 4 directions, move by velocity I mean the agent can move to cells can jump from cells By velocity, I mean the agent can jump from cells to other cells, from one cell to with maximum with minimum of movement to 5 cells movement. Rule 1, Rule 2, Rule 3. Okay, so let's create the border for this game. Border. This racetrack matrix have a border. A border that limit the agent from not getting outside of the of a matrix have a border that limit the agent from not getting outside of the of a certain area. This limited area is from cell. It's a little bit hard to explain for the ChatGPT. So these red areas, as you can see, is our limitation. So the agent should appear here in this limitation area. So how can I explain this for ChatGPT? Have I need to explain it cells by cells? Okay, let's explain it. It's a start from let's do this tomorrow. I already spent about 24 minutes, so I can do this tomorrow. I'm going to do some articles. Need to read an article right now for my university, and it's about machine vision. I have to read this article, create a presentation for it, and I have to go and present it for the whole class. So after this, I'm going to read that article. Thank you guys for watching. See you tomorrow.